I now have my first working prototype logic board to control an animatronic. So over there, the lights mean different things. The top light changes color. Well, the middle lights, the top one changes color. It's hard to see on camera, but it's very vivid in person. But then, so my lights there indicate that it changes color to indicate what position it's at. I don't so much care what the color is. I just kind of care that it's changing, so I know it's getting a signal. And then when I let go, it slowly fades out like that. Yeah, I found a couple of mistakes on this board, so it's not perfect, but I knew all along this would just be the first draft, so I wasn't expecting much more than that. There's some components here in the bottom. I don't know what I did wrong the first time I tried to build one of these. I tried to build this one yesterday, and somehow the +5 and ground rails are shorted, and it's somewhere in this pipe eco. I didn't do a very good job soldering it, and I don't know what I did. I just started hacking off components, trying to figure it out. But yeah, the bottom one here, so this is made to mount right up here on the parrot, which is why there's a big gap here, because that's where the crossbar goes. It all fits in my CAD design, but yeah, I've got the yellow light is that we're getting 5 volts, this one is we're getting powered all, and this one is the motors are turned on. If I grab the keyboard here and hit P to turn off power to the motors, that goes off. The clicking noise is that relay. It's probably overkill. I probably don't need a big relay like that, but whatever. The parrot's working better than it's ever worked because the signal is so clean. I love it. And the problem I was having with noise and ground loops just completely went away the moment I got it running on here. So the breadboard over here that it had been living on is no longer in service, and it's now running on here. And I'll keep iterating on this design, but pretty cool. I'm really happy with this. This is turning out great. It took me several attempts to make this thing, but it's great. The only reason there's a USB cable connected so I can see the console on the monitor. It runs completely independently. If I take that off, then it still keeps right on working. I mean, it's running completely autonomously on its own. So I mean, well, I'm just twisting a joystick here, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Way to go. I'm getting there. Talk to y'all later.